Hello everybody, welcome on the video on how to buy ApeCoin on Coinbase. So for the first step we will log into our account on coinbase.com and after that you will arrive at this homepage. We have three options right on top, a deposit button, a buy and sell and a send to receive button. For now we will click on buy and sell, click on it and the purchasing overview will be opened. So as you can see we can select the purchase frequency. I will leave it for this buy on one-time purchase, but if you need a different frequency, you would like to buy it on a daily basis, weekly, twice a month or a monthly, then you can select it over here. After that, we will fill in the amount of fiat we would like to use for this purchase, and I'm using €2. Now we can select the asset we would like to buy, and that is the ApeCoin. Tick in Ape and it will appearing in this list. After that select the coin. Now you have selected ApeCoin and we can select our wallet we would like to use to purchase these coins. I'm using my Euro wallet. If you live in another country you can select your wallet over here and the currency you would like to use for the payment. If you don't see any options, just add a payment method by clicking on the button below. After that, we can click on Review Order and now some information will be shown. As you can see, I'm buying 1.02 coins and I'm spending €1.01. The Coinbase fee is 99 cents and the total amount we are spending is €2. If you would like to invest weekly, select the button and click on buy now to buy the coins and they will be directly added to your wallet. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and we would love to see you in our next Coinbase tutorial. See you guys, bye bye.